Is your Facebook ads account restricted, stopping you from running ads? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Facebook ads account restrictions and get back to running ads. Stay tuned, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it. If you're facing the same issue shown here, please follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Create a new Facebook account. Make sure to use your real details to avoid issues when linking your card for ad payments in the future. Once you've created your Facebook profile, the next step is to add your main profile as friends. Now switch account and accept the friend request. Now let's go back to the Facebook page you want to run ads for. Click on the settings icon at the top of the page. Click on Page Setup. And finally click on Page Access. You see the option to give people your page access. Click on the Add New and search for the Facebook profile you just created. Give it a full access to the page. Put your Facebook password and now switch back to profile you created and accept the invitation.
Now you can easily run the Facebook from your newly created account and also run ads well. Noted that you can access the page from both Facebook account.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.